In this video, we'll see how to make tasty and healthy chocolate dry fruits health or energy bar. Let's get started. First, I'm going to coarsely grind the dry fruits. So here I've got 1/4 cup almonds. You may chop the dry fruits if you want, but the chopping should be fine, or you can use your slicer. If you have less time, then this method is easier and quicker. Now in the same jar, add cashew nut and walnuts. Almonds are hard, that's why I did not add these in the same jar as cashew nuts and walnuts. Again, coarsely grind. Now we need a paste of dates or khajoor, so I'm using soft dates, 3/4 cup. So this is very important. It's going to add sweetness as well as it would add the binding. So everything would come together with the help of khajoor. The paste should look like this. Transfer this to a bowl and keep aside. Now we are going to dry roast oats. So here I've got 1 cup rolled or instant oats. Heat your pan, and between low to medium flame you need to roast these for 3 to 4 minutes. Now keep this aside till the oats become warm or come to room temperature. Meanwhile, let's prep the mold. So here I've got 7-inch cake tin which I'm using for this, but you can use your regular thali or plate. Just grease with oil. If you have butter paper, you can use it. Next, heat a pan and add flax seeds, 1.5 teaspoon. These are very healthy. If you have these, you can use, otherwise you can skip. If the flax seed starts to pop a lot, you can use the lid to cover. The oats have now cooled down. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So in goes the roasted flax seeds, dry fruits, and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. This is optional. I'm adding 1 teaspoon dried rose petals. These are edible. You can find the link in the video's description box. It gives a really nice taste. If you have it, you can add, otherwise skip. Now bring everything together. If you are feeling that it is stiff, you can add a little honey, or you can add more khajoor. Or if you plan to consume these immediately, you can just add a splash of water. Spread this into a mold or your plate or thali. Little more rose petals on top if you like. Now it's time to demold. So you can run a knife along the edges of your thali or your mold so that the bars come out easily. The bars are not bars yet. We are yet to cut them. I'm cutting these into long bars, but if you want, you can cut these into small sized, bite-sized pieces. So totally depends on how much you would like to eat at once. You can store these in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and these would stay good up to a month. If you're not using water, then maybe more than that. But if you're using water to bind everything together, then please consume it within a month after refrigeration. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!